Here we are in a beautiful Roanoke, Texas day, handling a very special 1948 MG TC. Very, very well executed recreation of the famous 1933 Mille Miglia MG K3. All aluminum body, very well done top to bottom. Previously part of the Gene Ponder collection. It's finished in a dark blue and kind of a cream or a white with a blue interior. It's a hand-formed aluminum Q-type bodywork with attractive boat tail styling produced in the UK that cost €15,000 when the car was built. Engine turned dash. There's a Brookland Motors badge here. Dual windscreens on it. You see a lot of intricate details on this car. It has 11 miles on it since it was done or complete. It has a supercharged inline 4-cylinder MG engine underneath the hood. A lot of bright polished components, that type of thing. We'll get around to the driver's side, right-hand driver's side. Side-mounted spare here on this side. We will take the camera and go around the undercarriage for you here, and we'll actually open up the hood and run the engine on both sides. Knock off true spoke wheels. Looking at the tires and wheels here, giving you a good look. It has, we'll get around to the interior. It's fitted with Lucas L65 headlights with stone guards by Vintage Headlight. These are aluminum brake drums on it, hydraulic brake drums. You'll see the MG emblem here for the air intake at the bottom side of the radiator. Cars like this almost leave you speechless. They're like a piece of jewelry, and this is a piece of jewelry. Supercharger's over on this side of the engine, so it's got an air intake to pull in some extra air. It is an all aluminum body, hood, that type of thing. We'll open up the tail here for you, and the bottom side of the hoods, we'll share that with you. Frame off restoration, period supercharger. 11 miles on the odometer. We'll actually drive it out here for you and have video of it driving around. It's all leather seating. I do have a cheat sheet in my hand, by the way. Cabin features K3 Magnette style seats. Get you down in the footwell here, you'll see the firewall, aluminum. These seats actually lift up here. Aluminum stone guarded fenders here, fender edges. Fuel tanks back here in the boat tail area, dual fills on it. Again, we'll take you to the bottom side and kind of give you a feel, and we'll have this do the undercarriage with the boat tail open on the back here for you. Next up, we're going to get the engine compartment, both right and left, non-running and running. Inline MG 4-cylinder, meticulous attention to detail with a period style supercharger on it. Get you down into the details here. Appears to be ceramic coated exhaust manifold. SU style carburetor feeds the supercharger. MG exhaust manifold. Details everywhere. I'll actually run it here for you. See the aluminum hood sides. Right, we get you over here on the left side or passenger side. Engine numbers right there. Like we talked about, the attention to detail is throughout. Supercharger from the other side. VIN data tag here. TC. Engine number. The same number that's on that tag there. Okay, we'll run it on this side for you. Okay, we're going to start it up here for you. Mirror there. Not taking it out on the highway, it's just too busy out here. Not every day I get to drive one of these. Second gear. By the way, it has an upgraded transmission in it. Forgot to mention that during the walk around, 5-speed. There's a document file that comes with this car that lists all that was done to it. Here's the body in bare. Some restoration documentation. Alright, we have the aluminum boat tail lifted up here so you get a look at the back, and we'll go ahead and cover the undercarriage for you as we cruise through here. Very impressive restoration on this one. Optima battery, shocks in the rear here, aluminum brake drums. Finish is beautiful. See the aluminum structure and aluminum body panels up in the back here. Fuel tank, dual fill, braided lines. Leaf springs, of course, exhaust right there. Go ahead and cover the undercarriage while we're at it here. Level of detail is just amazing on this car. We've already covered the engine and stuff for you. Quiet here in the shop. Getting a great view of this car. Polished aluminum oil pan.